Husqvarna 550. Just got disassembled a little bit. I love these saws. I love how lightweight they are, but maybe you run into an issue where it locked up on you. You heard some tingling going on beforehand and it just locked up and then you couldn't re-pull start it. I had my first one. They said the bearing went out on it, locked up. So I gave it back and they gave me a warranty and gave me a new one. Probably within 5 months, I heard some tingling going on when I was up north in the winter. Just like a little steel tingle around, and then it just locked up. So I figured it was inside the motor. Did a little bit of research and figured it out after tearing it apart. And right here's your corporate. If you look right up there on top of the flywheel, see that long Allen bolt? I don't know where it came from, but it's come loose and it's jammed up right on the flywheel. So once you remove that, you should be good to go. That should be your main corporate cause. So take a look at that. Take off your cover for your pull. Come and look up on the top or somewhere on the flywheel. But there's the corporate. That's the problem. We should be able to have this back up and running and have it back out cutting trees, which I love this saw. So super happy about that. But if Husky has not corrected this, Husqvarna, you need to get this fixed. This has been the second saw with this issue. And it seems like other people are having the same problem. So make sure they get Loctite on those bolts. I'll find out when I tear into it more where that bolt came from. All right, thanks guys.